One of the best feelings in the world is walking out of an audition room, knowing that you just killed it, and the only thing left to do is hope that you're right for the part. And if you couldn't guess, that's basically what just happened. So I just had an improv audition, which is my favorite kind of audition. It was a callback, and I did very well. And the crazy thing is, when we were on the way to this audition, we got word that we would be going to New York City tomorrow. You guys recognize this place? No? How about now? Now? Does New York City ring a bell? This is my second video that's going to be featuring me coming here. So this time I'm going to talk about it a little bit more briefly. This is something I can do very well in. There might be a lot of people, but it doesn't really matter. It's audition time. Guys, I just came back from the audition and it was absolutely crazy. There were so many people in there. When we got in, they told us that the wait would be an hour plus. So we stayed there for a while. The wait didn't feel as long as I expected it to. In truth, it was like an hour and 20 minutes at least. To give you guys an idea of what I have to go against sometimes, and what I especially had to go against this time. Here's a clip from inside. Everybody's gonna be...
It's $1.
I could say that actually went very well. I thought my personality really shined, which is key in these kinds of auditions. For commercial, my brother said that he did very well too. I'm going to put a link in the description. Subscribe to his channel, it's really good. I do work on that too. It's called Beantown Angler. So now that the audition's done, all we can do is just hope that they like our personalities and that they like our looks. You know I had to come back and see it again. And someday I will buy that thing. I've had my eye on it so long now.
Custom bucker pickups.
Those are some crazy colored ones. Alright, heading back to the studio. Alright guys, now that I'm back, I want to talk about my third audition, which was a self-tape. Now if you don't know what this is, a self-tape is a video audition that is somewhat like normal auditions, except that you stay home and you record the video yourself. And you have to read it with somebody that you know, send the video to the people who asked for you to record it, and then usually they make callbacks based on all those videos that they made. So I had a third audition in 3 days, which is crazy. The self-tape didn't take that long, it used to take me much longer, and I've noticed that as my career went along, our self-tapes kept getting better every single time. It's crazy. There's not that much to talk about because I can't really go into the material, and it's not the same as going in to the actual audition, but generally you don't get that much time to work on it. And usually myself, I just try to play the scene and treat all the dialogue like it's real. I love doing these with my family. Normally it's with my mom, sometimes with my brother, and we have a pretty good setup. It's actually the same setup that we use in the Beantown Angler videos. I was very glad that I could make it to New York again because I hadn't gone in about 8 months. And as you can tell, I have 3 auditions in 3 days. But there's times when the auditions come in like crazy, and then there's a bit of time between them when your next audition is. I actually got to go to New York in the weekend on a Saturday, so we could stay for dinner. And we didn't have to just come right home like we did last time. Guys! My giveaway is going to happen not too long from now. I envision in about 4 weeks, maybe less. Right now I am a fourth of the way to my goal of 200. Right now I'm at 127. So make sure to enter that giveaway. Link will be below in the description. The steps are super easy. If you're watching this, make sure to enter. You just have to comment on the video and subscribe. Giveaway soon. You should enter right now. There is no reason why you should not just go do it. I am almost there, I'm almost there, I'm almost there, Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. Whoa, that was crazy for doing that on the spot.